Why is rhubarb a vegetable, not a fruit? Imagine biting into a bright red stalk that's both tart and crisp, signaling the start of spring's fresh bounty. Rhubarb is often called a fruit because of its flavor, but it is actually a vegetable. Let's find out why. Botanically speaking, rhubarb develops from the plant's stalks, not from its flowering parts. Fruits grow from the flower's seed-producing parts, but rhubarb's edible stalks come from the root system. The plant belongs to the buckwheat family, which is a group of plants that produce fibrous stalks rather than seeds. The leaves of rhubarb are toxic because they contain high levels of oxalic acid, so only the stalks are eaten. This is a common trait among vegetables, where the edible part is often the stalk, root, or leaf, not the seed-bearing fruit. Even though it's a vegetable botanically, people often treat rhubarb like a fruit in cooking. Its tart flavor makes it perfect for sweet dishes like pies, jams, and crumbles. When spring arrives, rhubarb's bright red stalks appear first, bringing a splash of color to gardens and markets. Its tartness pairs beautifully with sweet strawberries, creating classic springtime desserts. Chefs and home cooks stew rhubarb with sugar to soften its sharp taste, then use it in tarts, crisps, or even sauces. Its versatility makes it a favorite ingredient for celebrating the season's renewal. In 1947, the United States even changed its legal classification of rhubarb to a fruit for tariff reasons, because it was mostly used in desserts. But from a natural and botanical point of view, rhubarb remains a vegetable. Its role in spring cooking highlights how the seasons and nature's cycles influence our food choices. Rhubarb's bright, tangy flavor and vibrant color make it a perfect symbol of spring awakening and culinary delights. So, even though we often call it a fruit in the kitchen, scientifically, rhubarb is a vegetable, rooted in the earth and ready to brighten your spring table.